Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate MLOps Lifecycle. In the previous video, I explained about what is MLOps. Now the next important step in understand how MLOps works in real world applications. The complete process is called the MLOps Lifecycle. So in this video, I am going to cover the topic like what is MLOps Lifecycle. What is the MLOps lifecycle? The MLOps lifecycle is the complete journey of machine learning model from the beginning to the end. It starts with collecting data, then preparing the data, training the model, testing the model, deploying it in production, monitoring its performance and improving it regularly. In simple words, it is a structured process used to manage machine learning models properly in real world environments. Just creating a model is not enough. A model must be deployed, monitored, and updated over time. That full process is called the MLOps lifecycle. It helps organizations work faster, reduce error, and keep models performing well. Some of the example to explain briefly, like to understandable. Imagine a company manually deploying every model update. This would take time and may cause errors. With an MLOps lifecycle, process become automated, updates are faster, monitoring is easier, performance is improves. This is the MLOps lifecycle, like collecting data and preparing data, train model, testing model, deploy to production, monitoring performance, improve regularly. These complete steps I will explain in the next video. So where we get the collecting data and preparing data, train model. So if you have any queries, please in this comment section. Thanks for watching.